Well, today I'm going to make some sort of Mexican chicken a la king. I'm going to use some chicken, and you can use leftover chicken or leftover turkey instead of fresh chicken. And I'm going to use some chipotles, and onion, and garlic, and here's some homemade chicken stock, and red bell pepper, and a jalapeno, tomato, chipotle, and some cilantro, and heavy whipping cream. And let's get started. Put some oil, some olive oil in my hot pan. I'm going to add the chicken. Just cook this up. Well, it's been about 1 minute. I'm going to add some salt to the pan, to the chicken, and move it around. My heat's on medium-high, and you know, you can skip this step and go to the next step, which you'll see later, if you're using leftover chicken or leftover turkey. Well, the chicken has cooked for another 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. It's not completely done because I don't want to overcook it. I'm going to take it out of the pan. Just give me a minute here. And I'm going to add garlic. A medium-high heat here. The pan's cooled down from cooking the chicken. I'm going to add the jalapeno. I just put it in strips here. The red bell pepper. The poblano. Poblano chili. I'm going to add the tomato too. And this is half of that onion that I sliced. Add that in here. And about a tablespoon of chipotle that's chopped up. I'm going to cook this up. Well, the chilies and peppers have been going for 5 minutes. I'll add the chicken back in. And 1 cup of chicken broth. And just let that pan cool down. And come back up to temperature. Kind of spread things out. I'm going to let this go for 10 minutes. And it also will, I'll stir it around a bit and get the bits up, you know, the fond off the pan. I let that simmer for about 10 minutes, and now I've added, you didn't see, I added a 1/2 cup of heavy cream. I'm going to let this simmer for 10 more minutes and get all nice and a little bit thick and good. Well, I have some plated. I put some cilantro on the top, and this is some rice that I made. It's out of the box, and I tell you, the chicken is just fork tender and delicious, and it's not too spicy. It's really good. It's really not that spicy at all. It really transforms your chicken. Thanks so much for watching.